Alrighty, welcome again to the Product Management View webinar series. I'm happy to announce that Alyssa DeVere will be talking to you about the 7 habits of highly effective product managers. Outstanding product managers have oxymoronic personalities. They must be confident but open-minded, highly organized but flexible, evangelistic experts but tremendous listeners. The skill set required to be a successful product manager can be overwhelming. Yet some product managers stand out as examples of having it. What is it, and how can any product manager get it? In this session, Alyssa will discuss 7 common habits of highly effective product managers. Now, just to tell you a little bit about your speaker, Alyssa has written a book, Software Product Management Essentials, which has won praise from dozens of organizations and experts and remains the top seller in this category. Product management and marketing company, Type A Consulting, provides product management and marketing support to a variety of both tech and non-tech organizations. She's a frequent speaker at industry conferences and events. Alyssa is also the CEO of startup Wanderware, a company that develops information and products to prevent kids from getting lost. Prior to that, Alyssa was CMO for Sedona Corporation, a public company focused on CRM for banks and credit unions. She has been published in Business Week, Forbes, Mass High Tech, Entrepreneur Magazine, and has articles and columns coming out in the Pragmatic Marketer and Software Magazine. She's contributed to numerous books and publications as an expert in product management, marketing, entrepreneurship, and various technologies. So today, to speak to you about the 7 habits of highly effective product managers, I would like to introduce Alyssa DeVere. Please take it away, Alyssa.
Thanks, Susanna, and go get some tea. Hey, welcome everybody in webinar land. Thank you for joining us today. And I'm going to get right into this presentation about the 7 habits of highly effective product managers. Okay, so the first question is on your minds, I'm sure, is, well, DeVere, how do you know? Well, just to give you some comfort to know that I have a very big mouth, I've been practicing this for 20 years, and I've been a product manager and still am. And as Susanna mentioned, I do a lot of consulting both as a temporary product manager in some cases for companies, or in a lot of cases I will help existing product managers to evaluate and improve their products, their plans, and their processes. So I'm in the face of hundreds of product managers all the time. I've hired and managed 30 or more product managers myself. And, of course, with the book, I'm constantly doing research and talking to people about what they do as product managers, what they respect as product managers. And for today's presentation, I think the most important thing is it's great for us to talk as product managers, but we're not the ones who hire ourselves. So I really want to stress the fact that we've taken a lot of input from people who do hire as well as fire product managers, and what do they see as the important aspects of a product manager in terms of both their hard and soft skills. So today's objectives are very straightforward. We're going to share some benchmark information about product managers. Some of you actually may have participated in some of these studies, but I think it'll be good to see how you compare with others. We're going to give you some of that executive insight on what the best product managers seem to be doing, and then at the end, some ideas and metrics on how you can become the best product manager you can be. So to start off on the same page, what is product management? It's this great question that often you get very different answers depending on who you ask. It is hard to define because it is relatively effusive, and it depends on from company to company. Some companies look at it as a very technical function, and others look at it as a very market or sales-driven function. Some companies look at it as both. And as Susanna mentioned in the introduction, product management really can be one of these functions that requires a unique skill set. You need to be both left and right-brained because you have creative responsibilities in terms of marketing and coming up with product strategies and messaging and so forth. But you also have to be very on top of the financials as well as the technical information, particularly if you manage a technical product. So as you see on this slide, of course, we manage lots of hats, of course. We act as the business manager for the product or product set that we manage. We certainly are project managers and diplomats, having to manage cross-functional teams and all the different things that need to be shared amongst those people. That's definitely part of a product manager's responsibility. And